Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, today it's late night, so I thought I should record a video. So without further delay, let's begin. Today I'll share a very small story. So please watch this video till the end. One day a tiny ant was drinking water from the river. Then suddenly she slipped into the river and she shouted, "Help, help, please help me. I am drowning." Then, what happened? A small kind bird noticed and she said, "Okay, I'll help you." And immediately she she dropped a big leaf into the river. Then immediately that ant climbed on the leaf and reached bank of the river. And she said, "Thank you so much, kind bird." In this way, lot of time passed, and after a long time, that ant saw the hunter. He was aiming to the bird. He was aiming to that bird. Then immediately she reached to the hunter and bite on his leg. That hunter started shouting, "Oh, what happened? It hurts, please help me." Then immediately that bird flew away from there, and she was very happy. When both of them met to each other, then their thanks to each other became very, very good friends. So this was the small story which I shared. We can learn from this story. We should always help others.